Good morning, guys. Hello. Welcome to my second vlog. So, time check. It's 3:30 a.m. So, medyo maaga kami ngayon dahil maaga yung bus na sasakyan namin. So, ngayon, ang adventure naman natin is pupunta tayo ng Paris. So, later update namin kayo sa mga magaganap, ha? Bye!
Waiting na kami dumating ang bus. Look guys, ang sarap sa mata tignan, no? Lakad-lakad na naman tayo. Iniwan namin yung gamit namin dito para wala kaming dala pag gumala kami. Bumili na nga pala ako dyan ng ticket for 3 days para di na kami bibili everyday. Trivia lang guys, alam nyo ba there's only one stop sign in the entire city? Yup, most intersection in Paris rely on right-of-way rules instead of stop signs. Sa wakas, nakaabot kami.
You are free to move around as you wish to take your pictures in more attractive facilities. Just one very important information. Please keep an eye on it.
Ang laki talaga ng Louvre, as in. Sobrang daming artworks, more than 35,000 pieces. Kung gusto mong makita lahat, aabutin ka talaga ng ilang araw. If you're visiting Paris, this place is a must-see. You don't have to be an art expert to enjoy. Just explore and appreciate the beauty everywhere.
Nandito kami ngayon direct sa Louvre Museum. Hindi muna kami dumiretso dun sa hotel kasi medyo caught up na dun sa time eh. So kaya nandito na kami ngayon sa Louvre dumiretso para dun sa tour guide namin. So update namin kayo mamaya kung ano pa yung mga ganap. So ngayon maglilibot muna kami ngayon sa Louvre Museum. Bye!
The Louvre covers around 60,000 square meters of exhibition space. Dito mo makikita ang mga sikat na artworks like sculptures, ancient artifacts, and paintings from different eras. Every corner of the Louvre feels like you're walking through history from ancient Egypt to the Renaissance. So papunta na kami ngayon sa aming next stop. Trivia ulit guys ha. Notre Dame is not just a building. It's a symbol of Paris, heart and soul. Standing here makes you realize how beautiful and resilient history can be. And syempre, the iconic Eiffel Tower. Ang laki niya in person, grabe. And the view. So after the tour, binalikan na namin yung mga iniwan naming gamit. Waiting for the train. And finally, nakasakay na din. Makakapagpahinga na sa hotel after ng madaming lakaran.
Good morning guys! So, second day namin ngayon dito sa hotel, dito sa Paris. So, ngayon activity namin is pupunta kami ng Versailles. So, maaga kami ngayon. Medyo late na rin kami nagising pero bumaabot naman kami sa tour. Una namin gagawin is mag-breakfast kasi may kasamang breakfast buffet itong nakuha namin hotel dito sa may Paris. So, kita-kits later ha.
On the way na kami sa tour na pupuntahan namin. Versailles used to be the royal residence of King Louis XIV, also known as the Sun King. He turned this place into the symbol of royal power and luxury. Ang ganda dito guys. No wonder people call it one of the most beautiful places in the world. That's it for our Paris vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Merci!